Here's my 2023 Hoodoo Tempest 120p. Just give you a quick little rundown of the highlights of it. Front carry handle, drain. We got a nice hatch up front. Pretty decent sized compartment in front. Here's the pedal drive. It is filled with gear lubricant and it's super smooth and quiet. Nice area to stand in. The center console comes out to drop the drive down. Got a nice comfortable seat. It reclines. Super comfy. Here's our steering handle. We got a cup holder over here. We got two handles, one on each side. We got a center compartment here that opens up for wallet, phone, keys, things like that. It's got two fishing rod holders. Plus you got this compartment here. I know a lot of people like to use it as a cooler, hold their fishing tackle, etc. And then you got another kind of compartment back here. We got rails, got gear rails up front too. Got a paddle and the drop down rudder. I have upgraded it with the vinyl coated cables and it works great. Turns really good. There's no slop or play in the steering. But yeah, that's it.